Get the other one.
Oh, I think this one says Grammy on there, doesn't it?
No.
No, it says to Henry and Charlie.
Oh! It's to you. Let me see your shirt.
You like it? I'll help you, bud.
There you go. Good job.
Come here, Charlie. Come here a second. Turn around. Turn around so Uncle Keith can see you. Yeah, say Merry Christmas. All right, let's open those presents.
It is almost a solid deal.
Oh my goodness.
What is it? Wow.
Oh my goodness. Whoa, doodle. Oh my goodness.
Oh, look what you have! Look! You made about the coolest thing. Wow! Henry, look at what Charlie just opened.
Remote control fire truck.
Henry, look at this one.
You guys are going to share them. Hey, boys. Say thank you, Uncle Keith. Say love you, Uncle Keith.
Can you look at the camera when you say it?
Thanks, buddy. This is awesome.